This podcast episode covers our in-depth reviews on 5 daily number 1 percentage gainers in trading week of February 24th to February 28th, 2025. Organogenesis Holdings Inc, a pioneering regenerative medicine company focused on delivering cutting-edge solutions for advanced wound care, as well as surgical and sports medicine markets. Organogenesis is not just a player in the biotech field, it's a key innovator in regenerative medicine with a growing portfolio of bioactive and acellular biomaterials. Let's start with the basics. Organogenesis is addressing critical needs in healthcare with its groundbreaking products designed to treat complex wounds and injuries that have historically been difficult to manage. The company has established itself as a leader in the advanced wound care space, and their solutions are now also making waves in the fields of orthopedics and spine surgery. Advanced wound care products. Organogenesis Advanced Wound Care offerings are some of their flagship products, addressing a wide range of patient needs, particularly for those suffering from chronic and hard-to-heal wounds. One of the company's marquee treatments is Apligraf, a bioengineered living skin substitute, which is widely used for treating venous leg ulcers and diabetic foot ulcers, DFUs, two of the most challenging and prevalent wound types today. These ulcers often require long-term care and can be debilitating for patients, so Apligraf's success is a major milestone in improving quality of life for these patients. In addition to Apligraf, Dermagraft is another key offering from Organogenesis. Dermagraft is a dermal substitute specifically designed for diabetic foot ulcers, DFUs as well, but it focuses on promoting tissue regeneration by providing a scaffold for new tissue to grow and helping reduce infection risk. Together, Apligraf and Dermagraft form a powerful combination of regenerative treatments, providing effective options for tackling chronic wounds that otherwise might lead to amputations or other severe complications. Then there's PurApply AM, a product that acts as an antimicrobial barrier and provides a native, cross-linked extracellular matrix scaffold. PurApply AM is highly versatile and can be used for a wide range of wound types, offering protection and support for the body's natural healing process. Organogenesis also offers a line of placental allografts, which are human tissue-based products that provide biologically active material to help with wound healing. These include Affinity, Novacure, and New Shield, which target different wound sizes and types, offering a range of solutions from smaller, acute wounds to larger, more complex injuries. Sports medicine and surgical solutions. But Organogenesis doesn't stop with wound care, they're also making strides in sports medicine. As athletes continue to push the limits of physical performance, regenerative solutions are in high demand to help with recovery, repair, and healing. Organogenesis has developed New Shield as a surgical barrier, which plays an essential role in soft tissue repair surgeries. Additionally, PuraForce, a reinforcement matrix, is designed to support soft tissue repair during surgical procedures, ensuring better healing and long-term success for patients. For surgeries involving open wounds or delicate tissues, Organogenesis also has a broad range of products like Affinity, Novacure, PurApply MZ, PurApply AM, and PurApply SX. These products help manage surgical wounds, improve healing times, and reduce complications, making them indispensable in the operating room, especially for complex procedures. Why it's a big deal for investors. So why should investors be paying attention to Organogenesis? First, it's clear that the company is positioned at the intersection of two critical, growing sectors, wound care and regenerative medicine. The demand for effective treatments in these areas is only increasing as more people suffer from chronic conditions like diabetes, and as sports injuries continue to be a significant part of the healthcare landscape. Organogenesis has established itself with a product portfolio that serves both ends of this spectrum, and they're doing so with a blend of innovation and market penetration that could set them up for long-term success. Furthermore, Organogenesis products are backed by robust clinical data and are already being used in hospitals and clinics around the world, demonstrating not only their efficacy, but their potential for expansion in new regions and healthcare systems. These products also offer significant barriers to entry for competitors, particularly because many of them rely on specialized regenerative processes and proprietary technologies. On the financial side, the regenerative medicine field is expected to see substantial growth in the coming years, driven by an aging population, increased focus on chronic disease management, and advancements in tissue engineering. Organogenesis' pipeline of products and its ability to address unmet medical needs in these high-demand markets make it an attractive option for investors looking to capitalize on the future of healthcare. In conclusion, Organogenesis Holdings Inc. is a company that's poised to lead in multiple healthcare sectors with a diverse and growing portfolio of products aimed at improving patient outcomes in both chronic wound care and surgical fields. For investors, the company represents a promising opportunity with strong growth potential in a space that's ripe for innovation. Keep an eye on Organogenesis as it continues to expand its footprint in the regenerative medicine market. Thanks for tuning in today. Be sure to subscribe for more insights into high-impact companies like Organogenesis. PepGen Inc., a clinical-stage biotechnology company focused on transforming the treatment of severe neuromuscular and neurologic diseases using oligonucleotide therapeutics. PepGen's innovative approach revolves around its proprietary Enhanced Delivery Oligonucleotide (EDO) platform. This platform leverages cell-penetrating peptides to improve the uptake, activity, and efficiency of oligonucleotides in targeting the root causes of genetic diseases at the molecular level. By optimizing tissue penetration, cellular uptake, and nuclear delivery, PepGen's technology overcomes a key challenge in oligonucleotide-based therapies, delivering the drugs effectively to their intended target cells. PepGen's clinical pipeline. PepGen's clinical pipeline is built around two promising programs targeting neuromuscular diseases, with additional preclinical candidates aiming to address other unmet medical needs. 1. PGN-EDO51 for Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD. One of the company's flagship programs, PGN-EDO51, targets Duchenne muscular dystrophy, DMD, a devastating and progressive muscle wasting disease. DMD is caused by mutations in the dystrophin gene, which is essential for muscle function. While there are some treatments available for DMD, they don't address the root cause. PGN-EDO51 uses exon 51 skipping oligonucleotides to bypass the faulty exon in the dystrophin gene, allowing for the production of a shortened but functional version of the dystrophin protein. This approach could potentially slow or stop the progression of the disease in patients who are amenable to exon 51 skipping. As clinical trials progress, this therapy could offer a transformative treatment option for DMD patients, significantly improving their quality of life. 2. PGN-EDOM1 for myotonic dystrophy type 1, DM1. PepGen's second clinical stage program, PGN-EDOM1, targets myotonic dystrophy type 1, DM1, a rare and debilitating condition that causes muscle weakness and myotonia. DM1 is caused by a toxic RNA buildup that disrupts cellular function. PGN-EDOM1 delivers oligonucleotides designed to reduce the toxic RNA and restore normal cellular processes. With no current disease-modifying treatments for DM1, this program has the potential to provide significant benefits for patients. If successful, PGN-EDM1 could be a breakthrough therapy for DM1, offering hope to patients suffering from this progressive disease. PepGen's preclinical pipeline. In addition to its clinical stage programs, PepGen has 3 preclinical programs designed to expand its reach into other neuromuscular and neurologic diseases. PGN-EDO53, a program targeting an undisclosed genetic disease. PGN-EDO45, another preclinical candidate aimed at a different unmet medical need. PGN-EDO44, focused on a rare genetic disorder, further diversifying PepGen's pipeline. These programs highlight the company's broad approach to tackling genetic diseases, offering promising potential for future development. Why PepGen is an attractive investment. PepGen presents a compelling investment opportunity for several reasons. Innovative technology. PepGen's EDO platform represents a major breakthrough in oligonucleotide delivery, enabling more effective treatments for genetic diseases. By solving the problem of targeted delivery, PepGen is improving the efficacy of its therapeutics and positioning itself as a leader in this space. Targeting unmet needs. Diseases like Duchenne muscular dystrophy and myotonic dystrophy have limited treatment options. PepGen's focus on addressing the underlying genetic causes of these diseases offers the potential for disease-modifying treatments that could significantly improve patient outcomes. Strong pipeline. With 2 clinical stage programs and a growing preclinical pipeline, PepGen is advancing rapidly toward bringing transformative therapies to market. If its programs continue to progress, the company could become a significant player in the field of genetic medicine. Partnership potential. As PepGen advances through clinical milestones, there's also potential for strategic partnerships with larger pharmaceutical companies, which could accelerate the development and commercialization of its therapies. This could provide the company with valuable resources and market access, further enhancing its growth prospects. Expanding market. The oligonucleotide therapeutic market is poised for growth as the ability to target genetic diseases becomes more refined. PepGen's technology places it at the forefront of this market, where there is significant demand for new treatments for rare diseases like DMD and DM1. Final thoughts. PepGen Incorporated is at the forefront of a new era in genetic medicine. By advancing oligonucleotide therapeutics through its EDO platform, PepGen is tackling some of the most challenging genetic diseases with potential disease-modifying treatments. The company's 2 clinical stage programs for Duchenne muscular dystrophy and myotonic dystrophy have the potential to transform the lives of patients, while its preclinical pipeline shows promising opportunities for future growth. For investors, PepGen represents a unique opportunity in the rapidly advancing biotech space with its innovative approach to genetic diseases and high-potential pipeline. As clinical trials progress and the company moves toward potential partnerships, PepGen stock could be set for significant growth in the coming years. Enveric Biosciences Incorporated, a biotech company focused on developing psychedelic-based therapeutics for mental health conditions like depression, anxiety, and addiction disorders. Through its Cyberry platform, Enveric is creating novel neuroplastigenic small molecule therapeutics aimed at addressing significant unmet needs in the mental health space. Enveric's approach to mental health treatment. Mental health disorders are a major global issue, with millions of people suffering from conditions like depression, anxiety, and addiction. Traditional treatments such as antidepressants can be effective for some, but they often fail to address the underlying causes or provide long-term relief. Enveric aims to change this by developing neuroplastigenic therapies, small molecules that promote brain plasticity, which helps the brain reorganize and heal itself. By targeting neuroplasticity, Enveric hopes to create more sustainable, long-lasting improvements for patients, offering better results than conventional treatments that often only address symptoms. The Cyberry Platform. The Cyberry Platform is Enveric's proprietary library of over 1,000 novel psychedelic compounds created for psychiatric conditions. The platform includes 3 categories of molecules. Generation 1. Classic psychedelics like psilocybin and LSD, which have shown promise in treating mental health but are difficult to control in clinical settings. Generation 2. Prodrugs that convert into active compounds within the body, providing more controlled and predictable effects. Generation 3. New chemical entities designed for specific psychiatric conditions with targeted effects and fewer side effects compared to classic psychedelics. This platform positions Enveric as a leader in psychedelic-based therapeutics, continually developing new treatment options for mental health. Enveric's lead programs. Enveric is advancing 2 key programs in its clinical pipeline, both targeting psychiatric disorders with novel approaches. EVM201 series, EB002. The EVM201 series involves synthetic prodrugs of psilocin, the active metabolite of psilocybin. Psilocybin has potential in treating depression, anxiety, and addiction, but its effects can be unpredictable. Enveric's EVM201 series offers a more stable and controlled form of psilocin with EB002, which is being developed for the treatment of psychiatric disorders. The goal is to provide a predictable and effective treatment for patients who haven't responded to traditional medications. EVM301 series, EB003. The EVM301 series targets treatment-resistant mental health conditions with EB003, which aims to provide a new treatment option for patients who have not found relief with existing therapies. These difficult-to-treat conditions require innovative solutions, and EB003 could be a breakthrough in this area. Enveric's intellectual property, IP, portfolio. Enveric has developed an extensive intellectual property, IP, portfolio with over 1,000 novel psychedelic compounds. This not only gives the company a competitive edge, but also opens the door for strategic partnerships with larger pharmaceutical companies, which could help accelerate the development and commercialization of its therapies. Why Enveric is an attractive investment. Investors should consider Enveric Biosciences for several key reasons. Innovative research. Enveric is at the forefront of developing psychedelic-based treatments for mental health, focusing on neuroplastigenic therapies that could offer more durable solutions. Promising pipeline. Enveric's EVM201 series and EVM301 series target critical psychiatric conditions, including depression, anxiety, and addiction. Both programs provide new treatment options for patients who haven't responded to traditional therapies. Strong IP portfolio. With over 1,000 novel psychedelic compounds in its pipeline, Enveric is well-positioned for growth and potential partnerships with larger companies. Addressing unmet needs. The company is targeting the untapped market of mental health disorders that remain poorly addressed by existing treatments, offering new hope for millions of patients. Strategic position in psychedelic medicine. The psychedelic medicine space is rapidly growing, and Enveric's comprehensive pipeline and robust IP portfolio make a strong player in this emerging field. Final thoughts. Enveric Biosciences is positioned to be a key player in the development of psychedelic-based therapeutics for mental health. With a focus on neuroplastogenic small molecule compounds, a promising clinical pipeline, and a strong IP portfolio, Enveric offers exciting potential for investors in the growing psychedelic medicine market. The company's clinical stage programs EB002 and EB003 could represent groundbreaking treatments for depression, anxiety, and addiction. As Enveric continues to advance these therapies and expand its IP portfolio, it stands to play a significant role in shaping the future of mental health care. Organovo Holdings Inc., a clinical stage biotechnology company specializing in 3D human tissue engineering and regenerative medicine. The company is advancing its lead program, FXR314, for the treatment of inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, specifically ulcerative colitis, UC, using its innovative 3D tissue technology. With preclinical data and early clinical promise, Organovo is working on a novel approach to drug discovery and disease modeling. Organovo's innovative technology. Organovo's core technology revolves around building high-fidelity 3D human tissues that replicate native human tissue composition, function, and disease characteristics. This platform enables the creation of human-like disease models that allow more accurate testing of therapeutics. This method is a leap forward from traditional 2D cell cultures and animal models, offering a more realistic understanding of how diseases like ulcerative colitis develop and how therapies can work in humans. Organovo's approach also includes using NovoGen bioprinters, which can print functional 3D tissues and hydrogel formulations to create complex tissue structures. This bioprinting technology is a game changer in the biotech field, providing a way to build tissues that mimic the architecture and function of human organs. FXR314 in ulcerative colitis. Organovo's lead program, FXR314, targets ulcerative colitis, UC, a chronic inflammatory condition that affects the colon. UC can significantly impact the quality of life, and current treatments are not always effective for all patients. FXR314 has demonstrated clinical promise in preclinical studies targeting key aspects of UC, such as intestinal inflammation and gut microbiome dysbiosis. By leveraging its 3D tissue models, Organovo is developing a more precise and controlled therapy that could provide better outcomes for UC patients. Mosaic Cell Sciences Division. Organovo's Mosaic Cell Sciences Division is integral to its R&D efforts, providing critical primary human cells for use in the company's research and 3D tissue models. This division is essential for Organovo's ability to develop functional tissues and drug candidates, ensuring the company can continue advancing its pipeline and creating innovative treatments. Organovo's 3D tissue platform. Organovo's 3D tissue platform is multifaceted, providing tools for disease modeling, drug discovery, and regenerative medicine. The platform enables the company to better understand disease progression and test potential treatments before moving into clinical trials. By mimicking the human disease environment, Organovo offers a more accurate representation of how drugs will behave in patients, allowing for better prediction of therapeutic efficacy and safety. Why Organovo is an attractive investment. Organovo presents an exciting investment opportunity for several reasons. Innovative technology. The company is at the forefront of 3D tissue engineering and drug discovery, offering more accurate models for testing therapeutics. Promising clinical candidate. FXR314 shows promise for ulcerative colitis, addressing an unmet need in the IBD space. Strong IP and R&D pipeline. Organovo's intellectual property and R&D capabilities in 3D tissue engineering position it well for future growth and success. Mosaic Division. The division provides critical human cells for tissue modeling, enhancing the company's research and development efforts. Cutting-edge technology. Organovo's NovoGen bioprinter and advanced tissue engineering technologies give it a competitive edge in the biotech space. Final thoughts. Organovo Holdings Inc. is leading the charge in 3D tissue engineering, creating human-like disease models and developing innovative treatments such as FXR314 for ulcerative colitis. The company's ability to replicate human tissue function and disease characteristics is revolutionizing how drugs are developed and tested, offering a promising future in regenerative medicine and drug discovery. QVC Group Incorporated, a live social shopping company that's transforming the retail experience through video-driven commerce. Formerly known as Curate Retail Incorporated, QVC Group is redefining how consumers shop by combining live video and social interaction across multiple platforms. Whether through TV, mobile apps, or streaming services, QVC Group is meeting the demand for an engaging, interactive shopping experience. QVC Group's expansive reach. QVC Group is a major player in the retail space, with over 200 million homes worldwide connected through 15 television channels. These are available on cable, satellite, free over-the-air TV, and fast streaming services. But the company doesn't stop at TV. QVC Group reaches millions more customers through its QVC Plus and HSN Plus streaming services and major social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. The company's presence spans multiple channels, creating an omni-channel shopping experience that allows customers to shop across devices and platforms, whether at home or on the go. Video-driven shopping. At the core of QVC Group's success is its video-driven commerce. By blending live TV broadcasts with interactive social elements, QVC Group enables customers to shop in real time, engaging directly with hosts and influencers. This real-time interaction creates excitement around new products and enhances the overall shopping experience. The model has worked particularly well in home goods, beauty, and fashion, but is also gaining traction in other sectors. Retail brand portfolio. QVC Group's portfolio includes popular brands like QVC, a leader in live TV shopping with a broad range of products. HSN, known for fashion, beauty, and home goods. Ballard Designs, offering upscale home furnishings. Frontgate, specializing in luxury outdoor furniture. Garnet Hill, known for premium apparel and linens. Grandin Road, focusing on unique seasonal and home decor. These brands have a solid presence in both traditional and digital channels, giving QVC Group a strong position in various retail categories. Social shopping and streaming. QVC Group is a leader in social shopping, a growing trend where consumers discover and purchase products through social media. The company leverages platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to offer an interactive shopping experience that blends social engagement with real-time purchasing. This has proven particularly popular with younger consumers who prefer immediate access to products and direct interaction with brands. Additionally, with QVC Plus and HSN Plus streaming services, QVC Group has built an immersive shopping experience that goes beyond traditional TV broadcasts. These platforms offer live-stream shopping events, exclusive content, and product demos, all accessible on demand through smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Minority investments and growth potential. QVC Group also holds minority interests in various companies, expanding its portfolio and enhancing growth opportunities. These investments diversify the company's revenue streams and open the door to new partnerships, technologies, and product categories. Why QVC Group is an attractive investment. QVC Group offers an exciting opportunity for investors due to several factors. Broad reach. With 200 million homes and millions of digital customers, the company has a wide, engaged audience. Innovative business model. Combining video commerce and social media shopping makes QVC Group a leader in modern retail trends. Diverse brand portfolio. The company's retail brands cover a broad range of consumer categories, from home goods to fashion and beauty. Omni-channel strategy. QVC Group's multi-platform approach allows it to engage customers across TV, streaming services, social media, mobile apps, and more. Growth potential. Through minority investments and strategic partnerships, QVC Group is poised for further expansion in social commerce and digital retail. Final thoughts. QVC Group Incorporated is revolutionizing the retail experience by merging live video with social shopping, creating a seamless and interactive environment for consumers. With a strong omni-channel strategy, video-driven shopping, and a solid portfolio of leading retail brands, QVC Group is positioned for continued growth in the rapidly evolving retail and digital commerce space. Thanks for tuning in. New podcast episode will release on every weekend, so please subscribe and give it a like. Have a great day.